Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. An update on the XI or XI Games, whatever you want to call it. I'll call it XI. All right. But no, wanted to do an update on this. I know quite a lot of people from the Cilinix Crypto communities, etc., are following this. Personally, I'm trading this at the moment. All right, so that's also I was looking at it. I'm analyzing it, so I thought it would be nice. So yeah, we'll do a full update. We'll talk about mainly some fundamentals. I don't actually think like they're launching their mainnet, but I'm not sure if it's already. I think it has already launched, but I'm not sure if we can already see some statistics on it. It seems not, because that's something I would like to incorporate into these analysis when they'll actually launch their layer 3, which XI is. We can actually get some more info on how they're doing, how fundamentally they're doing fundamentally. Now we can also only see the technicals, and the technicals at this moment are kind of mixed. Now I'll be straight up honest with you. I am bearish on XI. All right, I think on the 4-hour time frame. If you look at this, it's a new coin. I think XI reacts to Bitcoin quite a lot. I think Bitcoin will find major resistance at the current area, a bit higher, but in the current area. And then just this entire red area where it's filled with resistance levels. Like there's 4 Fibonacci levels in there. Some are of this move down, some are retests of this move up. And then apart from that, I also said this in the last video, but it's worth it. Apart from that, there's also a ton of liquidity in that area. There's still liquidity here up to like 88 cents again. So that's, that's liquidity again. So no, a lot of liquidity here to the upside still. So I'm not saying that we will necessarily just drop down and stay there. But I do think if you look at the technicals for XI and then take it into combination with the market circumstances, I do think that XI is more likely to be bearish. Now, if I'm wrong about the market circumstances, which is definitely a possibility, I've been wrong before, trust me. If I'm wrong about that, and Bitcoin is really able to get up towards 44,500 and stay up there and consolidate, then more is possible for XI. And I also want to say that even though I am in a short position, I'm also hedged to a certain extent because I also hold this on spot. And I have been holding this since the bottom right here. So I still hold that. So I'm fairly neutral on XI, but I still think, I mean, if you look at all of the numbers, like I said, with the major resistance level up here, if Bitcoin gets more bullish momentum, which I think is a possibility, then I think XI can break above our major resistance level right now at 88 cents and rally up to this level right here at 95 cents. I think that's a possibility, and my short would still be fine, right? It would maybe even be better because I'm scaling in the higher it goes. But it's either that or we just already broke down below 88 cents and now we're doing break retests. But either way, I think it's most likely we'll drop down to 80 cents right here, whether we find some bullish momentum first or not. And then 80 cents, as you can also see right here, is first of all a strong support level. We got quite a lot of support indicators there. And again, there's quite a lot of liquidity. So that's the level where I'll say like, all right, well, if it gets there, I'll just make my trade risk free. And we're fine, because I do expect support. But ultimately, like I said, also looking at the momentum for XI, which is again has dropped down a lot. All right, so the momentum is not there. So I don't really anticipate a major bullish breakout. I think it's even going to be hard to break above 88 cents, even though that is a possibility with a bullish Bitcoin. But no, ultimately, I think, like I said, with the lack of momentum, with the market circumstances, I think this resistance level is going to be too strong. I think we can hold 80 cents for some time, but ultimately, I also expect 80 cents to break down once we get some bearish momentum, and for XI to drop down towards the 70 cents area. That is what I expect. That's my full analysis. Like I said, if for some reason, but given the fact that XI has no momentum on its own, the only way something like this could be invalidated and XI can rally back up to $1 and 1.05, the only way we can do that is if Bitcoin gets bullish. So I'll keep you updated on that, but for now, this is what you need to know on XI. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. If you want trades like my short on XI, consider joining my Signals and Premium group. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.